Hey, so glad you're back. We are talking about the feelings cards, and there are lots of different prompts on the feelings cards and different ways that you can talk about them or use them. So I just wanted to give you a few quick tips. So many of them have the feeling at the top and a description. You could lay out all the cards and have your kids each draw the one that they're feeling most right now, or when they talk about the person that has died, which feeling feels the strongest, which one do they think they feel the most often. Um, with your younger kids, they may have a hard time because they don't have as big a feeling vocabulary. And that's where things like I feel good or I feel bad, there are some variations, again, based on age, that might be more appropriate. Or let's say maybe in your household, talking about feelings isn't something that you used to do, or this is new language, or your kids are young enough, you're still getting started at this. These are a great place to start. I feel bad, I feel good. I also want to encourage you, there is a scale, so maybe they don't know which one, but where on the scale do they feel? Again, that's another great way to use the cards. It's a good starter point, maybe before you journal or before you're getting ready to do a different activity. The other thing in the feelings, and I will create a longer video to explain this, is the iceberg. And the iceberg activity is we talk about what feelings do we feel that everybody sees, or what behaviors, and what is happening underneath that maybe other people don't see. So this is also a great way that you could bring in the feelings cards. Which feelings do you feel that everybody sees? Which ones do they not? Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and I would be happy to help you. And we have many other resources available.